Here are some intriguing facts about black holes. Invisible monsters. Black holes are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their pull, making them invisible to the human eye. Varied sizes. They come in various sizes, from stellar black holes formed by collapsing stars to supermassive ones found at the centers of galaxies, millions to billions of times the mass of our sun. Time warp. Intense gravitational forces near a black hole cause time dilation, where time moves slower, the closer you get to it. This phenomenon is predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Event horizon. The boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape is called the event horizon. Once something crosses this boundary, it's forever trapped by the black hole's gravity. Spaghettification. This is a term used to describe the process of extreme tidal forces stretching objects into long, thin shapes as they approach a black hole. Ray emitters. Matter being sucked into a black hole heats up and emits X-rays, allowing astronomers to detect them indirectly. Hawking radiation, proposed by Stephen Hawking. This theoretical concept suggests that black holes emit a type of radiation due to quantum effects near the event horizon, causing them to slowly lose mass and eventually evaporate. Interstellar influence. Black holes play a vital role in the formation and evolution of galaxies, influencing the movement of stars and the distribution of matter in space. Still mysterious, despite decades of research, black holes continue to fascinate and challenge scientists, with many aspects, such as what happens at the singularity within a black hole, remaining mysteries yet to be fully understood.